So if you want to bring this variation in, you can also wear an extra layer, maybe bring a blanket on top of you. Take as many props as you need. You can pause the video here for a few moments to make yourself really comfortable. And then whenever you're ready, closing your eyes, allow your hands to lay down by your sides, palm facing upwards. And let your whole body get heavy. You can also start off with the bolster underneath your legs. And then once you're getting more comfortable in the position, you can release the legs to come lie flat. Whichever preference or whatever feels better for you. Allowing yourself to meet your body wherever your body's at today. And we allow our whole body once again to get heavy as it melts towards the mat. Feel your heart open a little bit more as your shoulders start to sink towards the mat. You feel the mind wandering, bring it back to your breath. Gentle inhales and exhales. Feel that very subtle contraction and expansion across your chest and the front of the body. Maybe bring your mind back towards your heart space, this energy center, your heart chakra, your anahata chakra. Observing emotions and feelings in your body and in your heart. Giving them space to be here